The Adventure of the Geometinies, The Secret of the Lost Melody, Educational Children's Story. Get ready for a magical journey, a story full of colors, music, and an exciting mission. The Geometinies and Jesus are about to uncover a mystery and restore the lost harmony of the Valley of Notes. Shall we go together? A world of rhythm and enchantment. In a vibrant and magical world, there was a place called the Valley of Notes. There, each geometric shape had a special sound, and together, they created the most beautiful melodies. At the heart of this musical universe were the Geometinies: bubbles, triangi, squarey, diami, and recti. But something unexpected happened. The mystery of the lost melody. One morning, the Geometinies realized that the valley was silent. The melodies that once filled the air had disappeared. The birds stopped singing, the colors were dim, and the sky looked sad. That's when Jesus appeared, bringing a special message. If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but do not have love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. 1 Corinthians 13:1. With faith and courage, the Geometinies decided to embark on this mission to bring joy back to the Valley of Notes. The quest for the lost sounds. Each Geometiny had a special skill to help in the search. Bubbles used his powerful voice to echo through the mountains and reveal hidden clues. Triangi was agile and found secret shortcuts through the forests. Squarey used his strength to clear blocked paths. Diami reflected light and revealed hidden messages. Recti deciphered the most difficult riddles with his intelligence. Following a trail of faded notes, they arrived at the Temple of Silent Sound, where they faced their first challenge. Challenges along the way. At the entrance to the temple, there was a magical piano with unlit keys. To move forward, they needed to discover the correct combination of sounds. Each one tried playing a note, but nothing happened. Until Jesus said, "Let the message of Christ dwell among you richly as you teach and admonish one another with all wisdom through psalms, hymns, and songs from the Spirit, singing to God with gratitude in your hearts." Colossians 3:16. Thus, with each Geometiny playing their special note, the piano shone and revealed a secret map. Following the clues, they found the Cave of Lost Echoes, where strong winds tried to silence them. That's when Diami shone and reflected the light to show the safe path. Finally, they arrived at the Altar of Harmony, where a sealed chest held the original melody. But to open it, they needed to play the final chord correctly. Who would have the answer? The return of music. Recti, with his sharp logic, noticed a pattern in the notes they had found along the way. He positioned each Geometiny in a specific place and said, "Now let's sing together with faith and joy." With a single chord, the chest opened, and a wave of colorful sound filled the Valley of Notes.
The original melody had returned, and with it the colors shone brightly again. The birds sang once more, and joy spread throughout the valley. Jesus smiled and said, "So that you may become blameless and pure, children of God without fault in a warped and crooked generation. Then you will shine among them like stars in the sky." Philippians 2:15.
The Geometinys learned that each one has a unique note, but only together can they create the perfect melody. Just as a symphony needs many notes, the world needs your kindness and joy. And so, the Valley of Notes vibrated with harmony again, and the music never stopped. And you? What is your special note? Remember, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord. Colossians 3:23.